Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Kalikar. Today's Viva topic is object and classes in Java. Today's date is 8th May 2023. So we are coming towards our discussion. Objects and classes are an important part of an uh, object-oriented programming in Java. It allows us to create a reusable code that can be organized, maintained more easily. An object in Java is the physical as well as logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity only. So the object in the Java, an entity that has a state and behavior is known as an object. Example: chair, pen, car, etc. It can be physical or logical, or tangential and tangential. The example of intangential object is a banking system. There are three ways to uh, initialize the objects. Three ways are as follow: by reference variable, second one is by method, third one is by constructor. Now we are seeing the different ways to create an objects in the Java. So there are five ways to create an object in the Java. First one is by new keyword, second one by new instance method, third one by clone method, fourth one by deserialization, and fifth is by factory method. Now we can see the anonymous objects. It is a simply the nameless. An object which has a no reference is known as an anonymous object. It can be used at the time of object creation only. We know that an object has three characteristics. First one is a state. It represents the data or value of an object. Second one is a behavior. It represents the behavior of an object such as an deposits or withdrawal, etc. Third one is an identity. An object identity is typically implemented via unique ID. The value of IDs is not visible to an external user. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. For example, pen is an object. Its name is cello. Color is white, known as its state. It is used to write. So writing is a behavior. Now we are seeing a class. So the class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is an instance of a class. An object is a real world entity, and last one is an object is a runtime entity. It's are the some common points about the objects. Now we are seeing the what is a class in the Java. A class is a group of an objects which have the common properties. It is a templates or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It cannot be physical. And the class can contain field, methods, constructor, blocks, nested class and interfaces.